In a quaint stone cottage, covered with ivy and surrounded by colorful flower beds, lived a small, happy family. Ayan, his wife Sara, and their little daughter Lila started each morning together, gathered around a wooden table by the window. Sunlight streamed in, and laughter filled the room as Sara braided Lila's hair and Ayan planned the day ahead. Lila's giggles, bright and carefree, made the simple moments feel magical. One sunny morning, the family decided to visit the bustling village market. The air was alive with the chatter of neighbors and the aroma of fresh bread and flowers. Lila carried a small basket, marveling at the vibrant stalls. Sara picked ripe fruits while Ayan, spotting a bouquet of daisies, bought them and playfully tucked one behind Lila's ear. Lila beamed, her joy contagious as they strolled hand in hand through the lively market. In the afternoon, they headed to a peaceful riverbank for a picnic. Sara spread a checkered blanket under the shade of a grand oak tree while Ayan taught Lila to skip stones across the sparkling water. Each successful skip made Lila clap with glee. They enjoyed sandwiches and shared stories, with Lila enthusiastically narrating her imagined adventures with woodland animals. As the day turned to dusk, the family returned home. After a hearty dinner, they sat together on the porch, wrapped in a cozy blanket under a canopy of stars. Ayan pointed out constellations, his voice soft and calming, while Sara told Lila a bedtime story about a brave little fox. Lila's wide-eyed wonder gradually gave way to sleep as she nestled in Sara's arms. Later, Ayan and Sara gently tucked Lila into her bed, her peaceful face illuminated by the soft glow of their cozy cottage. They sat quietly for a moment, taking in their simple yet love-filled home. Their life was modest, but their hearts were full, and every moment together felt like the greatest treasure of all.